Hello. I want to go over a new feature added to our Vicinity 4.54 release, which is our March 2026 release. This one is around a batch entry. It affects all clients, no matter what your Dynamics um, platform is. Specifically, it's about lot selection. We have a number of clients that have on hand, they keep a number of individual lot numbers for any given item, and they have to go through a long list to select the appropriate lot. In this case, what we're going to do is we're going to focus in on the lot selection screen itself. I'm just going to pick a line that I know I've got some lots, and I'm just going to open up lot bin entry. So what we've added is a filter on the lot number column. So if you have a number of lots, a significant quantity of lots, you previously would have to scroll through this long list. What we're able to do now is in this search bar is type any part of the lot number. It's actually a contains query, so if it has anywhere in that lot number, it will be filtered. So for example, if I were to type the letter B as an example, because that's unique between these two records, you'd be able to see that it filters out the others. This is very standard filtering functionality that you've seen throughout the system. We've just simply added this filtering at this specific field, this lot number. If it's really significant, it follows the regular filtering rules where we're seeing the occurrence of all of those individual lots, and you could pick a specific lot here if you wanted to, but you could also come in and create your own custom inquiry, which it goes down to as far as you really want to take this. The third character has this in it, that type of thing. Otherwise, the rest of the functionality is identical. It's just simply restricting this list so it's only showing you the lots that you're really that interested in consuming. That's it. This came directly from a client request. Feel free, if you've got something similar, a time saver or something you've really been struggling with, please let us know. We're happy to get it into a future release. Thanks a lot and have a great day.